what it looked like when they stopped using the train up here, the train tracks.
It's like in 20s or just before the war, right?
No, this is in 1980.
Oh, really? Not
Yeah.
so far ago.
No.
Oh.
Yeah. So they stopped using it as a freight train track in the 1980s. From 80 to 2000, it was abandoned. And only people who knew were neighborhood people who would come up here. 2000, they were going to tear it down, so they asked them to consider making a garden. But yeah, this is a whole year of pictures of this.
Nice.
So from that to what you see now. This is how they were trying to raise funds.
Видишь, у них даже еще рельсы остались.
We're celebrating our 15th birthday this year.
Ага.
But it started, the first part was downtown. I'm sorry, I'm distracted. The first part to open was from here to here. So a lot of the pictures that you're seeing are from that Chelsea neighborhood. And then the next part was there to here, and then the last part was here.
What are those nails? The original like rail?
Well, it was a freight railroad track. So you can see the tracks are still here, and the rails are still. They had to take everything off and then clean it all up and then make the structure for the landscape. And they didn't quite figure out where to put these. So, but they're handmade if you look at it carefully.
If you need a place, I can take one if you want.